Hello children, how are you all? Stay home and stay safe. Now we are entering into our English language classroom where teacher is going to teach you the rules of singular and plural nouns. We can call it as one and many. So children, are you ready to learn? In the previous video, we have seen that there are certain rules to follow for changing from singular noun to plural noun. So let us see what are the rules. Rule number 1. To change the nouns from singular to plural, we normally add the letter S at the end of the word. For example, ball, balls. To change the word ball to balls, we just add S at the end of the singular noun. Let us see one more example. Pen, pens. Here also, to change the word pen to pens, we just add S at the end of the word to make it into plural form. Rule number 2. Nouns that end with the letter S, SS, SH, CH, X and O can be made plural by adding ES at the end. We have seen some examples in the previous video. Bus, buses, glass, glasses, brush, brushes, bench, benches, box, boxes, tomato, tomatoes. In all these words, we add es at the end to make it into plural form. Now let us see rule number 3. Nouns that end with the letter Y can be made plural by changing Y to IES at the end. For example, one cherry, many cherries. To change the word cherry to cherries, we remove the letter Y and instead we write IES. Children, can you see that? See, here we remove Y and we have written IES to make it into plural form. One baby, many babies. Here also, to change the word baby to its plural form babies, we remove the letter Y at the end and instead we write IES. So children, do you understand this rule? So when a singular noun ends with Y, we remove Y from there and we add IES to form its plural noun. Let us see some more examples. Fly, flies. Lady, ladies. Country, countries. City, cities, etc. Rule number 4. When the noun has a vowel A, E, I, O, U before it ends with the letter Y, then just add S to it to make it plural. For example, one key, many keys. To make the word key to its plural form, we just write S at the end because before the letter Y there is a vowel sound E. Therefore, we just write S to make it plural. One boy, many boys. Here also, to make the word boy to its plural form, we just write S at the end because before the letter Y there is a vowel sound O. Therefore, we just write S to make it plural. Boy, boys. Let us learn rule number 5. Nouns that end with the letter F or FE can be made plural by adding VES at the end. For example, one leaf, many leaves. To change the word leaf to its plural form leaves, we remove the letter F and we add VES at the end. Let us see some more examples. Wife, wives. Knife, knives. Calf, calves. Shelf, shelves. Thief, thieves. Here are some examples of singular nouns. Toy, monkey, glass, box, city, puppy, calf, knife. We have to find out the plural of these nouns. Toy, toys. Here the last letter is Y and before the letter Y there is a vowel sound of O. So we have to add S. Monkey, monkeys. Class, classes. Here the singular noun ends with SS, so we have to add ES. Box, boxes. City, cities. Here the last letter is Y, so we have to remove Y from here and then we have to add IES. Puppy, puppies. Here the last letter is Y, so we have to remove Y from here and then we have to add IES. Calf, calves. Here the last letter is F, so we have to remove F from here and then we have to add VES at the end. The last one is knife. Here the singular noun ends with FE, so we have to remove FE from here and then we have to add VES at the end. Children, teacher will give you worksheet of singular and plural nouns. You have to copy that in your CW notebook. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye. See you again.